What's up, my home seller clients? It's Rex, and in this video I want to talk to you about the great cover agent that will make you money and cost you almost nothing. Something you need to know about, and you probably already know about it, but stick around and I'll tell you about it. So what is this amazing great cover agent that will make you money and cost almost nothing? Well, it's grass. That's right, grass. The green stuff, it's all over your yard, right? So grass is one of those things that's just like super inexpensive. You can get like bags of that stuff over at Home Depot or whatever. You know, you gotta watch out because there's certain times of the year where you use Fiscus and other times you use rye. And I think it's the winter is, I don't remember. But check with Home Depot, they'll tell you. Or I can probably find out, hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. So it's fescue in the fall is when you, I said Fiscus, but I think it's called fescue when I did a little, thing online. So fescue is in the fall and ryegrass is in the spring. So ryegrass for the spring and summer apparently, and then fescue in the winter. So you get a couple of bags of that stuff, and now I'm probably telling you the wrong way to plant this stuff because I'm sure there's some special way to do it. But in my house and what I've done with my clients, I just grab big handfuls of that stuff, throw it all over the lawn wherever you're supposed to have grass, and just keep it really wet for a good couple of days. Like put some of those sprinklers out, on a hose or whatever. If you don't have areas where you're, if it's not grassy, then you're probably maybe don't have water over there. That might be why you don't have grass in those areas. So get some of those sprinklers that, go out, and you tons of that stuff. Just pile it on there and keep it soaking wet. And then you let it grow like for a couple of days, good, like 3 or 4 days at least. And the birds will come over and eat it. You throw more out, just keep, then eventually it just starts going like crazy. And then you have this beautiful lush lawn. You want to do that at least, like 3 weeks if you can before, or 4 weeks before you are ready to put the house on the market or get the photos, would be ideal. So earlier than later, right? And so you just pile that stuff on there, grow it up really good. And then about 2 days before you're ready to, put the house on the market or have the first open house, then you do it'll be thick and big, and you mow it all down, and then it looks great. And let it dry out a couple days too, so people won't be tracking mud in the house and all that kind of stuff. So there you go, grass. Grass is huge. It's one of those things, like it's like paint for the lawn. Because bald is beautiful, I know it, but not in the lawn, right? Or where there's supposed to be a lawn, and all there is just big bald spots everywhere. So grass, it's an amazing. It makes the house look great. So that's it for this episode of me talking about grass. If you're ready to sell your house, give me a call. And if you have questions or whatever, just pick up the phone and give me a call. Text, telegraph, smoke signals, whatever. I'm here. Skywriting. That's it. We'll see you at your house.